Okay, so as you can see, I've done all my letters and the metal is nicely and evenly stretched around it. And so the next thing I want to do is this little border that I've drawn around my words, I want to raise the whole thing up. So what I want to do with it is something like this, right? So we raise this bit to a certain level, but then the words are actually even higher. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So for that part, we want to flip over our little design again so that the back is facing us. And you want to get a little ruler just so that you can make sure that your lines are entirely straight, and we'll do it on 2 layers of cloth. Right. Okay, so just go over that line again. Then we want to do the little corners. Just want to line it up properly. I'm struggling to see my lines here with the light. Okay, so the next step would then be to define this line. So again, always on your hard surface when you define, and we only want to define around the outside. So I'm just running my paper pencil around it to stretch most of it out. And then we'll take our little tool and just define properly. Right, so once that's done, flipping it over back to front again, and then you want to use, if you have one, a paper pencil that's well used, that's a bit more blunt, and then you just want to color over this background. Okay, and we'll just raise this to the board's level. Like that. Okay, so now if you want some more design details on there, I'll just show you this example. So you'll see on this particular book, I raised those little dots even higher. So you always have certain degrees of freedom on exactly what you want to do with your books. So if you want to do some more design detail, then feel free and go ahead.